Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way you can double your money. The platform name is Doublery Club. The website's home screen is like this. You can earn 100% for 24 hours with Doublery. Guys, you should sign up from here. You are going to type your Dogecoin wallet ACCNO and a password. Then you should click on register button. I've already registered. Because of that I'm just going to log in. The website dashboard is like this. You can see last 15 deposits from here. 200 Dogecoin, 155 Dogecoin, 449 Dogecoin. The last 15 deposits are like this, and you can see last 15 payments from here. Guys, the website just opened last night. That's why there is no payments data, because the payments are going to be in 24 hours. 24 hours there will be some data of last payments. You can watch from here. Guys, so this is the deposit part. You are going to do your deposits from this part. For example, I am going to invest 100 Dogecoins. I will click on pay now, and it will give me a payment address. You are going to invest 100 Dogecoin to this payment address, and your investment is done. 24 hours later you are going to get 200 Dogecoins. So you can see your pending transactions from here. For example, I just showed you how to invest your money. That's why I got here deposit $100. It says pending. When I invest this $100, this will turn to active. When it will be active, I will get my payment in 24 hours. And you can see your pending withdrawals from here. So guys, last night I took payments from referrals. It's paying, guys. I have 12 Dogecoin, and they pay me very fast. They didn't wait me. Website is like this, guys. You can see your referrals, deposits. You can see your deposits from here. You can see your account history from here. Earned 12 Dogecoin in affiliate commission. I just took this money. They give me the payment, no problem in here. And you can see your account settings from here. The website is very simple, guys. You can use it. There is nothing else I can tell you. The video ends here, guys. This is not a investment advice. And by the way, if you subscribe my channel and like the video, that would make me happy. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.